Hey there, credit enthusiasts. If you're looking to build or rebuild your credit, an American Express secured card could be a game changer. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire application process step by step. It's straightforward, and with a little preparation, you'll be on your way to improving your financial future. First off, what's a secured card? It's a credit card backed by a deposit you provide, which acts as your credit limit. American Express offers this as a smart option for those with limited credit history. Before you dive in, make sure you meet the basic requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number, and be a U.S. resident. Plus, you'll need enough savings to cover the security deposit, which typically ranges from $200 to $2,000 depending on the card. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll need your social security number, proof of identity like a driver's license or passport, and your bank details for the deposit. This prep work will make the process smoother. Next, head over to the American Express website. Look for the Apply Now button on their secured card page. Once you're there, you'll fill out an online application form. Be honest and accurate. Enter your personal information, employment details, and income. American Express might do a soft credit check, which won't hurt your score. After submitting your application, you'll get a decision pretty quickly, often within minutes. If approved, you'll be prompted to fund your security deposit via bank transfer or debit card. Once that's done, your card will be activated, and you can start using it responsibly to build positive credit history. Remember, the key to success with a secured card is making on-time payments and keeping your balance low. Over time, you might even qualify to upgrade to an unsecured card. If you have any questions, check out Amex's FAQ or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more financial tips. Let's get your credit on track today.